Hi busy bees! Follow along for this fast facial gua sha tutorial. I'm in Japan wearing a yukata, so this is perfect timing to share some self-care to you guys. The tools I will be using is my pink gua sha and one of my favorite face oils, the Biotin Squalene Vitamin C Rose Oil. It's great for combination and dry skin. We start by opening all the lymph nodes. I like to do this first to get it out of the way so we don't forget it later on. Start with 5 circles above each clavicle. 5 circles around both sides of the neck. 5 circles around both ears. And then 5 mini circles by your nasolabial to stimulate the nasal passages. Moving up towards the inner corner of the eyes, the same little mini compression circles. Lastly, right above the inner eye, just below the eyebrow. Just a couple of gentle compressions can feel really nice here. I love the Biotin Rose Oil. We can apply this all over to the face, neck, and chest area. It smells so nice and it has a very non-greasy feeling, which provides just enough glide for the gua sha. My handy dandy gua sha starts at the neck first, always. With the long edge, we repeat a downward motion around 7 to 10 times. And then we switch sides. For the jawline, there is an option to use the scalloped side, but sometimes I prefer using the long edge. We're going from chin to ear, right under the jawline. And again, everything will be around 7 to 10 repetitions. Switch sides. I like to split up my cheeks into 3s. We are starting with the lower half using the long edge. Moving slightly up to full cheeks. This is to really clear the pathway before we move on to the nose. Then we start moving medially to work on the nose. We're moving slightly up to work on the eyebrow and the forehead now. I use a combination of upward and outward motions. This works parallel and perpendicular to release the temporalis muscle, which primarily helps with the eyebrow movements. I slowly got tired and rested my elbow on my knee for some stability. You can do that too if you want to. This was at 6 a.m. by the way, because I was eager to catch the sunrise. Hee hee, please forgive me. Swap sides now. We're starting with that lower cheek. 7 to 10 times once again. Slightly shifting up into the full cheeks. We're moving up again towards the nose. And I like to clear it by moving towards the upper cheek right underneath the eyes as well. And then here we are at the eyebrow area again. This essentially looks like some cross-hatching work going upwards and outwards. If you can notice, I got lazy with the second eyebrow, so there is less of a lift, but still a lift nonetheless. We finish with prior hands. We push some fluid from the middle towards the outside of our face. This will drain into our ear lymph nodes that will filter through the lymphatic terminus and then towards the rest of the system. I hope you liked this. Subscribe, thumbs up, and let me know what else you'd like to see next. Take care.